said that real number to real number we defined as fx is equal to 10x plus 7. Here x is any real number. Then we have to find out another function g such that f g o f equal to f o g, g o f equal to f o g equal to I R. Okay. And you know, if we could work out such a function g such that GOF equal to FOG equal to IR, then what will be G? In other words, the same question could be asked and hence find F inverse, which he has not somehow asked. It will be the same question, find F inverse. So then F inverse will be nothing but G itself. So in a way he is asking you to find F inverse. Such a function G which we'll find will be F inverse. Okay. So now fx is equal to 7x, fx is equal to 10x plus 7 equal to y let. From here you work out the value of x. So 10x is equal to y minus 7 or x is equal to y minus 7 by 10. You know, and here we define a function gy, again R to R, such that y now corresponds to a number y minus 7 by 10. And now let me define here, find out GOF of x. What is GOF of x? GOF of x means G of fx. How fx is defined? Fx is defined as 10x plus 7. And what is the definition of G? G is y minus 7. So in place of y, you replace 10x plus 7. So it will be 10x plus 7 minus 7 divided by 10. After all, what is the definition of gy? Gy is defined as y minus 7 by 10. If you work it out, 7 and 7 will cancel. You will get 10x by 10x and ultimately x. So what do you get? GOF of x. Let me write it again. GOF of x is x. That means GOF, the composite function f, is an identity function on which set? Of course set of real number, but domain. On the domain if f were from R to R. This is your first part. Now again you consider FOG. Just see diagrammatically, here you are given two set of real numbers. F is a function from R to R. So for f, this R is domain on the left and R on the right is range. And now we define a function G which is again R to R, but this time suppose initially f corresponds each element of domain to y an element of codomain, and now it is y connects f. So FOG, remember when we work out FOG, I should write here y, FOG of y. That's what I am trying to find out. That is f of GY. GY we have already defined as y minus 7 by 10. And what do you mean by f of y minus 7 by 10? Now we need to find out f of y minus 7 by 10. And what is the definition of fx? Fx is 10x plus 7. So by f of this you mean replace x by y minus 7 by 10. So you get 10 times y minus 7 by 10 plus 7. Yes, 10 and 10 cancels and y minus 7 plus 7 gives you y only. So what do you find? That FOG of y is y again. So this time it is of course identity but identity of what? Real number, but this real number is a range or from the codomain of the initial function. So anyway, we have proved GOF equal to FOG equal to identity element on set of real numbers. So hence our required function G, you may write GY is y minus 7 by 10. Sometimes they want you to find in terms of x only. So we may write gx, the required function, as x minus 7 by 10. And further, if we say find f inverse, which is not a part of question, then f inverse will be x minus 7 by 10. I have given you one extra step. Now we are given fx is equal to, x square minus 3x plus 2, and we have to work out f of fx. That is f of, what is the definition of fx? X square minus 3x plus 2. Now what do you mean by f of this? That this whole expression should again be replaced by x in the definition of function. X square minus 3x plus 2. Every time in place of x you replace this. So what do you get? X square minus 3x plus 2 whole square minus 3 times x square minus 3x plus 2 and plus 2 again. I am sure you can work it out. Anyway, please note down, it is a plus b plus c whole square is what? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Using that, it will give you x4 plus 9x square plus 4 and minus 6x cube minus 12x plus 4x square. Multiplying by negative 3, you get negative 3x square plus 9x minus 6 and plus 2. You add all the terms, like terms, you get x4 minus 6x cube plus 10x square and minus 3x. That is the required answer. Yes.